The Automotive Career Pathway is part of the Building Automotive and Design Academy. Scholars learn about diagnosing and repairing 4 automotive areas: brakes, electrical and electronic systems, engine performance, and suspension and steering. This learning is demonstrated through hands-on lessons in the state-of-the-art shop located on the Jacksonville High School campus. Scholars can receive industry certifications in SP/2 Safety, ASE Maintenance and Light Repair, ASE Brakes, and ASE Engine Repair. Scholars interested in the automotive pathway should possess good communication skills, have a knowledge of motor technology, have the ability to listen and follow directions, and have the willingness to work as part of a team.